This is how the best product DMAs are made. No manual zooms, no tedious editing. Manual keyframing is officially dead. See how FocuSee automates the entire process. Updating your team. Just record your workflow naturally. Begin recording. Then continue your work as usual and click. The edit is finished the moment you stop recording. You'll see. FocuSee automatically tracks your focus and smoothly adjusts the zoom as you click. One-click resizing for most social media platform. Record once, share everywhere. Perfect for complex DMAs or detailed design tutorials. Your audience stays glued to the screen. Built-in motion blur for a high-end, polished look. Your best moments always in focus. Don't just record, create. Download FocuSee for free. Record, and you're ready to ship.